Welcome to our 48-hour adventure in the world's snowiest city, which is Aomori. Aomori gets 312 inches of snow every year, which amounts to around 8 meters, which is insane. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get to it. So we're heading over to A Factory, I guess kind of a marketplace, indoor marketplace in Aomori that basically specializes in selling Aomori specialized products. So a lot of Aomori apple-based products. I'm pretty excited. I'm really hungry. Let's go. Tamago shop. This is an egg shop. It's like a donut. Pretty hungry, so I might actually get something. Single only, blackcurrant and milk, walnut, pear sherbet, some gelato. They got sweet potato, black sesame, pumpkin milk, chocolate chestnut, dark acorn, green tea, local sake, and strawberry milk. And then you got the apple flavors. Fuji, Akane, Orange, that's yellow, Jonna Gold, and Koga Yuku. Oh well. So we got an Aomori apple juice, so we're going to test that out. Something I noticed that they have here is an Aomori apple donut. I've actually had an apple donut before, so I'm curious to see what this tastes like. So before we actually grabbed some apple pie from that store, and it was really good. Probably the best fresh apple pie I've had. So there's a huge apple piece in the middle, really nice. In my opinion, like my favorite apple pie, and I love apple pie by the way. So really nice. Definitely would give it a go if you are here. But let's go try out the donut and the apple juice now. I'm normally a cinnamon donut fan, but this is pretty good. Really fluffy, really light. Pretty nice snack. Would recommend. Pretty nice juice. And with that out of the way, we're gonna check out this wooden bridge. So here, the Tulanamai Bridge, as you can see over there, it's Japan's longest triple arched wooden bridge. So basically, one arch structure, one arch structure, one arch structure. Sorry, no last structure. Two structures in the middle. We're gonna take a look here. It's in winter right now. So as you can see, Aomori, known as the snowfall capital of the world. Tons of snow, so we're walking through it. So definitely wear proper boots if you're coming in winter, check it out. We're going to see what it looks like. It's 300 meters long. So the construction of it, they used 700 logs from an 150-year-old tree. So very old trees using Japanese plus Western ways of architecture designs. So here's a video of it I want to show you right now as we walk towards it. Looks like it is closed right now. But yeah. So we're here at the Hirosaki Castle, one of the, I guess, top 100 Japanese finest castles, and there's a lot of castles in Japan though. What's special about this castle is it was the only castle that was built during the Edo period. And we're here in winter, we're gonna go check it out. I think it might be closed, however we're gonna check it out anyway, at least walk around the grounds and see what's going up. So let's get to it. And with this, we're gonna go grab some food, and we're gonna grab some soup curry, which is local to Sapporo.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And with that, we're going to check out Lake Tawada Winter Story Festival, which is hosted in Aomori. We're here. Oh, it's a bar. Oh, wow. Oh! Hey, guys, that's a bar. We should go in. Let's go in the bar. So we're here at Lake Tawada, the Winter Festival. Happens every February in winter. So we're here on the first day, actually. So how exciting is that? It's quite not too busy right now. Hopefully it'll pick up. There's a lot of people inside actually right now. I mean, it is freaking cold here. There's a lot of food vendors. So I'm really hungry. I want to grab something to eat. Some kids bonding over there. There's also a lot of cameras being set up over there. There's a stage over there. My fingers are freezing, by the way. But yeah. Look at what it's called. Yakisoba. Some sausages. Here?
The meat is 1,000.
Got a pudding cake.
Crepe.
Sorry.
Not supposed to crepe.
How do you feel? Tell me. Interview.
Amazing. I feel like a different person.
Oh, really?
I feel like I'm gonna get everything I want.
Okay. Wow.
2つ。
And with that, we're ending day 1 and going to day 2. Also, look how crazy it is driving in Japan in this time of year. So we're here at the Furakawa fish markets in Aomori City. And they have something interesting here. They have what you call a nekodon. Basically, you buy tickets and then you basically make your own don in the market. So we're going to try to do it today. I think 5 tickets is 750 yen, 10 tickets is 1,500 yen, and then each topping is around 1 to 3 tickets, and then you basically create your own don here. So let's check it out. So for some of these have ticket systems, some of them don't. Oh, okay.
We've got the really big dinners.
I don't know what you're trying to say. What are you trying to say? Just get
So it's really hard to film this whilst doing a ticket exchange, but we've got 3 tickets left. We paid 1 ticket for the rice, 1 ticket for the veggies, and then 1 ticket for the fried squid. So now we're going to get some otolo to finish it off, and maybe some miso soup. So I'll get to it now, because it's kind of hard to do this with 2 hands. I mean 1 hand, to be honest. Not bad.
Oh, it's going back up.
We just finished our meal. So we're heading out now. Hope you enjoyed that little interesting vlog there. Pretty cool concept, but yeah, I'm peacing out. See you.
Nebuta 愛好会接戦同人諏訪誠さん制作です。
And that is it. Hope you enjoyed our 48 hours in Aomori. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our Sapporo adventure, which comes straight after this vlog. So I'll see you in that one, and peace.